Are you tired of using a blender that can't handle tough ingredients? Do you struggle with blending hot soups and frozen drinks? But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the Oster Pro 1200 blender. It's not just a game changer for smoothies, but also for making homemade nut butters and hummus. Therefore, in this review, we'll be diving deep into its features, pros, and cons to determine if it's worth the investment. First things first, let me confirm that you're in the right place. If you're looking for a high-performance blender that can handle demanding tasks without breaking the bank, then keep watching because I've got some valuable insights to share with you. For the best price, click the link in the description. Let's get started. The Oster Pro 1200 blender is a powerful kitchen appliance designed to make quick work of blending tough ingredients. With its 1200-watt motor and 6-speed control, it can handle everything from smoothies and frozen drinks to hot soups and nut butters. One thing that caught my attention was the blender's extra-large capacity pitcher, which holds up to 64 ounces of liquid. This is perfect for large families or for those who like to make big batches of homemade hummus. But what really sets this blender apart from its competitors is its unique blade design. The Oster Pro 1200 features a unique combination of stainless steel and BPA-free plastic blades that work together to create a silky smooth texture every time. Now let's talk about some of the key benefits you can expect from using this blender. High-performance motor, powerful enough to handle tough ingredients. 6-speed control, allows for precision blending and easy operation. Extra-large capacity pitcher, perfect for large families or big batches. Unique blade design, creates a silky smooth texture every time. But there's more. The Oster Pro 1200 blender also comes with some amazing features, including pulse function, great for adding a little extra oomph to your blending. Thermal overload protection, ensures the motor won't burn out from overheating. Dishwasher-safe parts, makes cleaning up a breeze. So what do we think? Is this blender worth the investment? Let's dive deeper and explore some of the pros and cons. One of the biggest advantages of the Oster Pro 1200 blender is its ease of use. With 6-speed control and a simple interface, it's easy to get started right away. And with its powerful motor, you can blend tough ingredients like frozen fruits and nuts with confidence. But there are some drawbacks to consider as well. Some users have reported that the blender can be a bit noisy, especially when blending hot soups or nut butters. Therefore, if you plan on using this blender frequently, it's worth considering investing in a sound dampening mat. Now, let's talk about performance. In our tests, the Oster Pro 1200 blender performed flawlessly, handling even the toughest ingredients with ease. But we also noticed that it can be a bit slow when blending hot soups or frozen drinks. Therefore, be patient and don't rush the process. In terms of cleaning, the blender is relatively easy to clean, but some users have reported that the blades can be a bit tricky to remove. So make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Now that we've explored the pros and cons in more detail, let's summarize our findings. High-performance motor, powerful enough to handle tough ingredients. 6-speed control, allows for precision blending and easy operation. Extra-large capacity pitcher, perfect for large families or big batches. Unique blade design, creates a silky smooth texture every time. But what really sets this blender apart is its value. Considering its high-performance features, extra-large capacity, and unique blade design, we think the Oster Pro 1200 blender is well worth the investment. So, if you're looking for a reliable and powerful blender that can handle demanding tasks without breaking the bank, then look no further than the Oster Pro 1200 blender. For the best price, click the link in the description.